What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW. And today, well, the market dumped, Tesla dumped, we still made money to the upside, believe it or not, and I'm going to show you how. So stay tuned and check it out. Well, guys, today was a day where we came into the market, and I'm going to show you clips here of my watch list. I thought the SPY would have a bit of a dump today, and we would engulf Friday's candle. Okay, and sure enough, that's exactly what's happened here. Unfortunately for me, I missed out on the SPY trade. Now, I have a clip here before the SPY actually made the move to the downside where I was already in my Tesla trade. And I mentioned to the chat, I was like, guys, well, look, we're in the level that I would be looking for puts on SPY, etc., etc. And man, the SPY had the infinite dump after that. At the same time, I was long Tesla calls. And Green Day is a banger of a day, really, honestly, now that I looked at my P&L, because like, you know, I don't really trade looking at my P&L, actually almost made a home run on the day today, so I'm really happy with that. But I think that if I would have been in the SPY puts, today would be a grand slam of a day. So, you know, figure me that one out. But it is what it is. So we'll take what we can take. And I know I have the live clip of the SPY set up. I have the live clip of the Tesla trade. And it was just a good day in chat. Discipline wins once again, you know. And I'm going to walk you through those trades here in a minute, as well as a pretty good mental lesson. All right. So without too much delay, we're going to jump into the charts. But before we do, there's a 5-day trial to the daytraderchatroom.com. That's where I trade every single day. And you can have access to the dashboard with the courses, etc. So check out that 5-day trial in the link in the description section and comment section below, as well as a 2-week trial of trade ideas, including their AI software. I'm going to leave you a link to those down there as well. So make sure you check those out. And if you're looking for a new broker, check out Webull. You download the app, fund the account with $5 and you get free stocks. So, hey, it's free stocks, it's free money. So check that out. Guys, remember, like I always tell you, just watch the video. If you enjoyed it, if you learned something, then smash the like button for me at the end. So just watch the video. Now let's go ahead and jump into the chart. So let's jump onto the recap here on the day. I had two main focuses this morning coming into the morning session here. I said that I was watching Tesla and SPY, followed by XENE and JSPR. Those are my two main focuses. Here's the daily watch list at the daytraderchatroom.com. Okay. And JSPR, XENE, SPY, Tesla. These were my main focuses this morning, and in order they really were: Tesla, SPY, XENE, JSPR. Okay, I did not expect a whole lot of small caps, just because there was just way too much attention on these bigger names and broader markets. So this morning, you know, my main focus really was Tesla, because Tesla came in here and they crushed their delivery expectations. And because of that, right, we were right up in here in front of this $800 zone, which was an important zone on the daily. It was, I mean, first of all, it's $800. We know $800 is a big deal for Tesla. Boom. Pass support there. Boom. Pass support right here. Well, that's 830 actually. Here's your $800 zone. Past support right there. Past support right here. And again, past support back here. So you have right there clear support in the past at $800 level, and you have clear resistance at $800 levels after we drop underneath it, right? Clear as day resistance in that $800 zone. So today in the watch list, I wrote Tesla crushed delivery expectations, watching for the $800 level to break and hold that support, could have room towards 830. 830 is this previous line up here, where you see support back here and support all throughout this level here. Okay, all throughout this level. So that 830 was going to be probably one of the final targets that I would think of on the day. Initially, 810 was going to be my final target on the first trade. Then I was going to look for a pullback into 800 and then get long again for the move towards 830. Okay, that was my plan. Now, what did we get? We got a very nice quick little move to the upside here, and we set in this high here in the 806 area. Let me see, high day on Tesla 806.96, so practically 807. I was really looking for a move closer to 810. All right, we did not get that, but nonetheless, let's scroll back. Let's erase all of this. Let's clean up the chart, and let's scroll back some here. So this is the first take profit up here, guys. We almost tapped that little zone. Getting a nice little bounce here on the SPY possibly. This could be a zone to get short the SPY as well. If I wasn't in Tesla, I'd probably look at puts here on the SPY if we reject VWAP. Okay, so first take profit on on Tesla is starting to reach here. Tried to get some off at 880. It reached 870 and I got no fill. Yeah, guys, so I was here on the ask at 880 inside that box, and we got 870. If the SPY rejects if the SPY rejects this level here at 433, that could be a potential put option play with the stop just above it. You have VWAP 9 AMA 433 level from the daily there as well. There we go. Taking some profits there at 880. Some more off 930 there, guys. Holding on to some. Nice work. So I'm just holding on to a small piece now, looking to see if we get some good extension on it. Probably hold it at around break even-ish as the remaining stop on it, possibly. I'd like to see Tesla extend now towards 810. It's got good volume on that rebreak, but that $800 level has held it up pretty strong. So my next take, I want it to be somewhere up here. So we got in the 9 AMA crossing over VWAP. We want to see this thing jump through the highs now. I don't want to see it get back into that box. Quick shot there towards the high. I want to see this break through the high, and I want to see volume increase at least 500,000 shares. I've already booked a nice little profit on this, so I'm just holding on to some here to see if we get that extension towards 810 area. But I do want to see it break through the highs here. I want to see 500,000 shares at least fly through, preferably 1 million shares fly through. Getting new highs there. Volume is slow on this push. We need to see volume increase to have more conviction that we're going to have greater upside. So I got flat there. Guys. I don't like this. I don't like the fact that it's holding up so much. So I got flat the last piece there. I'd watch for resets, maybe down here, for further bounce plays to the upside. But for right now, nice little trade. Can't complain with that trade at all. That was a nice take profit there from initially this morning. What do we see out of Tesla? And I've seen this a bunch of times on Tesla. You see the big old gap up. You see the quick push through 800, harsh rejection on big volume. Okay, harsh rejection on big volume. Then the stock pulled in. And what did it do? It held right in here in front of that low of day. Well, not in front of it, just underneath it. It pierced the low by a little bit. 791.73 down to 791.09. It pierced it just a little bit, okay? And it quickly did what? Got right back above it. Right here, it got right back above that level, and that's when it caught my attention. I was like, okay, this could be a double bottom setup. So throughout that time, I got on the mic and I told you guys, what I would like to see here out of Tesla is I would actually like to see Tesla extend this VWAP resistance a little bit further, allow this 9 AMA time to get up here, and then hold the 9 AMA as support along with this 38.2 Fibonacci level. That's what I was hoping would happen. It did not happen in that way. Why did I hope that would happen? Well, because at that point, what I was going to do was I was going to take a starter position in here. A starter position in there with a stop underneath the 9 AMA and the 38.2 Fib, or underneath the low of day. There was going to be a starter position within there, and then I was going to add on a high volume breakthrough VWAP. We did not get that action, unfortunately. Regardless of that, we did get a break of the VWAP there on a nice increase in volume. So that would have been my add. That would have been my add to the position had I had the chance, the opportunity to establish that starter down here. So what did I use this for? Well, I used this break, high volume break of VWAP. Since I would have added there, I used that to open a starter position. I opened a starter position in here, and I'm going to get you the alerts real quickly. Here you go. Long starter, Tesla call option, 820 strike, October 8th expiration, 780, stop if Tesla gets under 795 area. Okay, so right in there, I open up that starter. Within this consolidation, I was trying to add. When we got this quick little push up here, I tried to take some off at 880. We got as high as 870 and it came back down. Okay, once we came back down, on this candle here, I went ahead and added the remainder of the position, and then we got upside right off of that level. And then right up here in front of the high day, I got my first fill, taking some profits, 880 from the 780 entry. Okay, we extended, and I took more profits off at 930 as we extended. So more off came in here at $9.30 from 780 entry. Okay. And then we had further extension here, and I was holding on to a very small piece. This was from my ad, which my ad came in the 820 area, I want to say. And I was looking for what? I was looking to get flat up here. Did not get that. We did not get that. What was it that I was telling you guys? I was telling you guys, we're pushing up higher, and the volume is not increasing. I told you guys, I was like, guys, I want to see us tear through these highs on preferably 1 million share candle. 500,000, okay, but preferably 1 million shares. We didn't get that 1 million shares only once, right here on this one. This was the first one here, and I was happy with that. I wanted to see that happen again. We didn't get it. What did we get? We got further extension to the upside on decreasing volume, a signal that the stock is slowing down. So right in here, I went ahead and I got flat the remainder of the position at $9.60. Those contracts did get up over $10 a contract, but I didn't take any off because I was waiting for my final take profit up here in front of 810. 808, 809, 809.50, something like that. That's where I wanted to take off my final piece. I would expect those contracts to have been up over 11 bucks by then, and it would have been a real nice banger on that last take profit. Regardless, really nice trade on the day. Triple on the day for me, so initial entry, final ad, take profit, take profit, take profit. What more can one ask for, right? And this is why I always put emphasis on reading the volume and scaling out as we go, because my target was 810, right? I've said that multiple times. What if I get long in here? What if I add in here? What if I do not take any of this profit because I say, hey, my profit target is 810. Look at that. Now I would have gone from a nice triple on the day to a red trade because I refused to take profit. And that's something that new traders have a huge problem with. They refuse to take profits because there's people out there who will teach you, oh no, you want to grow your small account fast? Who said? Who said you have to grow your small account fast? That's silly. No one said that. You don't have to grow your small account fast. That's all marketing BS ploys. Okay? Scale out. I scale out, take my profits, bang, 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 bang. Hold on to a small piece. If we get that big old extension, boom, this triple on the day suddenly turns into a home run. Okay? Now, if you hold on to the whole position because, oh, that's how you make big money, well, then now you're red. So always, always scale out, because you never know when you're going to lose the bottom. You never know when you're going to double top. Members in here in chat right now, they know, and I don't know, how many are around right now. They might be in a trade and not, not able to chat, but they know we've been here together and we've traded setups like this that have double topped, and that first take profit right there has saved us, because we hit it, take profit, and then we double top and the trade fails. And that first take profit right there, bang, saved us. That, my friends, is trading with plans, trading how a professional trader trades, not holding and hoping and trying to hit home runs on every trade. All right, guys, look at that. If you don't take any profit, this is a failed trade. We took profits along the way, read volume correctly, banged out a nice trade on the day. Now, let's go over to the SPY real quick. Oh, God, the SPY. Guys, we were on the money with the SPY. I should have traded it instead of Tesla. On the SPY, guys, when I was already on Tesla, I came on over here to take a look at the SPY, and we were right here. We were literally right there. And I told you guys, watch for this VWAP 23.6 VIB 9 AMA 433 area to what? Hold resistance. If you get a confirmation candle off of that zone, I would look to get puts. I was in Tesla, and like I said, I'm in my travel station, so there's no way I could take both trades at the same time today. And look at what happened 6 minutes later. You got your confirmation candle, you got a dump to new lows, and look at that infinite dump. And it could be like, oh, Jesse, yeah, you're saying that now. No, that's not at all it. Check out the daily watch list. SPY watching for 434 area to hold resistance to see if either the SPY will be choppy today or if it will engulf Friday's action and continue down to the 420s, settling in possibly a new channel moving forward. Okay, what did I say? Engulf Friday's action. Guys, we just engulfed Friday's action. I said look into the 420s, right? Guys, we're at 427.80. So bang, right there. That's exactly what I was talking about, and there you go. Should have traded the SPY versus Tesla, but that is what it is, right? That was a banger of a move. That would have been a home run trade. All right, so that's going to conclude the recap on the day, guys. I got to get running, unfortunately. Definitely watch the SPY. Let me give you some levels. Okay, SPY could bounce potentially in front of this zone here, 427s. Okay, this previous pivot low. This could be a bounce area on the SPY today. So you can watch for bounces there. If this level cracks on the SPY today, then watch for it to become new resistance. All right, I still think the SPY has, unless the SPY does some crazy turnaround today, I think the SPY still has more downside this week, and I will definitely be having it on watch pretty much every day, looking for put options on this thing if this level doesn't hold. If the SPY cracks that 425 area, this thing has a lot of room to fall. Well, guys, if you enjoyed it, if you learned something, smash the like button for me and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I upload my next video, and I'll catch you on the next one.